Here we see my custom volcano display on my hexacopter. When I flip the switch, you can see I go into orientation mode, and if I flip the switch back, I'm right back to volcano display. Hey guys, my name is Keith Brown, and thank you for stopping by. This is awesome. I want to show you my mobile LED driver. There's a long story of how this got started, but basically I'm going to provide the RC community with an LED driver that you can control via your mobile phone easily and intuitively. You can create your own custom LED displays, customize an orientation mode, and set it to various switches and knobs on your transmitter. The way this works is there's an auxiliary input on the board. I'll show you a board in a second. And you can assign this auxiliary port to a switch, either a single switch, a three-way switch, or even a knob. You'll be able to set finite controls on a knob to be able to display multiple displays on the LED driver in mid-flight. This is amazing. But as another level of customization, you can use an up-and-coming mobile application that I'm going to develop in either iOS or Android, where you can select the colors, even select the colors pixel by pixel or LED by LED. It's going to be able to support multiple zones being areas of light that you can control on a granular level, multiple zones, and you'll be able to assign patterns or colors to them on the fly, and save it to the phone, and save and share your color patterns with other RC enthusiasts. So why do I want to offer this to the RC community? Well, because I think it's cool. Whether you want to drive a few LEDs or just a couple of LEDs, you know, you can have, let me show it on the back here so you can see the reflection, because it looks white in the video. This is a rainbow pattern. This is one of 6 that I pre-programmed already. Whether you want to show multiple LEDs, or like in my hexacopter, I only had a few, literally 6 LEDs that I programmed the same patterns on, and was able to offer orientation mode on that as well. So I'm asking for $2,000. What does that get me? That gets me the ability to make this board consumer ready. And it also allows me to spend some time developing the mobile application, spend some time debugging it, and get a really solid product. And maybe one day the flight test community, who's been so supportive to me already, maybe one day I'll be standing next to Josh Bixler and I say, hey, this is my LED board. Isn't it awesome? Tell me what you think. Please buy one and tell me what you think. So if you're really inspired right now and you think this is a cool project, please consider donating either a dollar or $100. There's donation levels on the side where you can get a free app download. You can get an app download in the board. You can get an app download and a board and some LEDs to start playing with. You know, the sky is the limit, and whatever you guys want, I want to be able to provide for you. The evolution of this product is really cool. From my first board here to version 2 that takes an IR remote to be able to change the LED display. I thought that was cool, but it was a little cumbersome and not really very intuitive. And then I went back to the drawing board and I said, hey, here's an LCD screen. Maybe I can use that, or this is obviously too big. It's the only thing I had in the shop, but I wanted to be able to offer an intuitive display, and I wasn't even thinking, you know what, Keith? Wake up. You're an iOS developer, so why don't you offer an intuitive app for people to use? And I was like, okay, that's great. How do I do that? Okay, Bluetooth. NOS32 does it all the time. Let's do that. And I'm going to be writing my own Bluetooth protocols for anybody that knows what that is. It's going to be amazing. So please consider your supporting me in this project. I really hope to hear from you. Leave a comment. I'll answer any questions that you may have. I have a forum post that I posted in the FT forum, flight test. So let me know what you think, and together we can make this happen. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope to hear from you, and hope someday that I can offer you guys a product that you'll enjoy. It sounds interesting, and it's going to be even better. I promise. Again, volcano mode, and then I hit the switch. Orientation mode. That's awesome. And then I hit the switch again, and back to volcano display. I'll talk to you guys soon.